Hi, welcome to TurtleWorks Tips. I'm Joe Waynes, and I'm going to show you how to create a list in SharePoint today. Let me share my screen so that you can see how to do this. So first off, we go to SharePoint, and this is a modern team site in SharePoint. And to add a list, it's as simple as clicking on New and clicking New List. So I'm going to use a blank list today, although you could import from Excel or from an existing list. And this is clients call list, and call these clients, and we click create, and we have a straightforward list. The only column that comes in a list by default is the title column. We can't delete that, but we can rename it and use it. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to rename it and call it company. So that is the name of the company that we need to call. Now I need to add several columns. So first, who's the person that we're going to call? That'll be a single line of text. Person, and then there's a single line and multiple line. We'll get to a multiple line later. There are more options here. I'm not going to get into any of that right now. But if you take a look, you can see you've got some validation and requirement options there. So we'll click save, and that's the person. Now we need to add notes. That's going to be a multiple lines of text. What that does, of course, is give us multiple lines of text. I'm going to save that. Another column for call by, so that's a date. So we click date and time, and we only want the date. We really don't need time to appear, so there's a toggle for that. And friendly format sometimes is annoying for me to read, so I leave it at no. You're free to change it and use it however you like. So that's the call by column. Sales rep, again, will be a single line of text. That could be a person field if all your sales reps were internal. So single line of text, we save that. And finally, we need to know what phone number to call. So let's do one more single line of text, and we'll call that phone, single, and save. And now it would be more helpful if phone was next to the person I need to call. So that's what I did by dragging that column over here. So now I have that client call list, and we need to populate it with some data. There's two ways to do that. We could click the new button, which would give us this field here, and we can enter Fred's Fries and Charlie Brown and Yum and call by 10/19/2020. And who is it that's going to call? I'll call, and what's the phone number? There's the phone number. So that's one way to enter data. Oops, it didn't like my date. So fix that. Now we click save. So we've added a row. We can also do edit in grid view. So we click on that guy, and I have some data in an Excel spreadsheet already made up. I can go here and I can do Control-C to copy all that data, move that out of the way, go down here and Control-V, and all of those rows paste in nice and clean. And if I want to add another item, I can go down here and add another item. But there, I've done it. I've added a bunch of rows. I've created a client call list. So now you can look at this list and see that I need to call Charlie Brown at Fred Fries on the 19th. And oh, I was supposed to call Cobb Becky at RealCube on the 25th of September. I better get on the ball there. So hope this was helpful for you. Stay tuned. There'll be other, actually the next video I do will be to show you how to do conditional formatting and create views around lists. So I hope this was helpful. Bye now.